hi everyone, and it means I want to wear my hat, so yep, I got my hat on. This is called Miami Dolphins. Okay, here it is. So we need to pull at the same time, so I need to put my hat on. Okay. Wow, how I look? Good. Let's say hi to my 2-year-olds and dad. As Liam is wearing a hat. Okay? Okay. Hi, Liam.
Hi.
Yeah. Hi, Lana.
Hi. Hi.
Yeah. Hi, Dad.
Hi.
Hi, Mom. Yep.
Hi, Dad.
So, I'm going to make a refrigerator review, so I'll be right back. So, I'm going to take a look at the refrigerator. So, yeah, I'm going to take a look at the refrigerator. Okay. Here are those pictures. Here's me. Look at these. Wow. There's a freezer. Yep, here's a freezer. We got ice cube tray, ice cream. Yeah. So we have food in the refrigerator. Yeah. Look at that. Look at that. There's magnets. Yeah. There goes magnets. So, yeah, I need to sit on the floor. Okay. Yeah. I don't know about this. So, let's say goodbye. Alright? Say bye, Liam.
Bye.
Yeah, say bye. Alright, it's time to go now. Give this video a thumbs up and leave a comment down below. Don't forget to subscribe. See ya. Bye-bye.